You've used ChatGPT. It answers, explains, even jokes sometimes. But what if it could act, send an email, summarize a report, book your meeting, manage your business? That's the dream OpenAI is chasing with something brand new, Agent Builder. And if this works, it might just change how we use AI forever. What is Agent Builder? Before that, if this kind of future excites you, hit that subscribe button and like this video. I'm building this channel from scratch, and every single subscribe, every like, every comment, it honestly helps me grow faster and reach this dream I'm chasing. So what exactly is it? Think of Agent Builder as OpenAI's sandbox, a place where you can create your own intelligent agent. Not just a chatbot, a digital teammate. You tell it what to do, give it tools, and it figures out how to get the job done. It's part of OpenAI's new agent kit. It's built so that even non-coders can design smart systems through a simple visual canvas. For years, people have tried building AI agents. The problem? They were powerful but painful to make. Tons of APIs, databases, and back-end wiring. OpenAI saw that and said, what if we make this simple? That's where Agent Builder comes in. It removes all that chaos and gives you one clean interface to design behavior, goals, and actions. Now here's the cool part. It's not just pretty UI. You can give your agent memory, so it remembers context. You can assign tools, like web search or database access. You can even define goals, so it plans before acting. It's like teaching your own intern who never sleeps. Now, before you think robots are replacing us next week, hold up. Agent Builder's still in beta. It's early. It might break. It might forget what you told it 5 minutes ago. But this is how revolutions start. A little messy, a lot exciting. Agent Builder is OpenAI's clearest signal yet. The future isn't about using AI. It's about building with it. And in my next video, we're going to actually create an agent from scratch and see how far this thing can go. So, hit subscribe, drop a comment telling me what kind of agent you'd build first, and I'll see you in the next one.